All right, I'm going to show you real quick how to get those nice clean detailing lines in your floor mats. And we'll be using a protectant from System X. It's their interior spray. It's for carpet, fabric, leather, and vinyl. So this has already been vacuumed really well. We're going to soak it in our protectant. This is like a ceramic coating for your carpets. It's going to protect it from any kind of contaminants you can really think of. If any kind of liquids get on it, it's going to just bead up and you can wipe it right off. So after we've soaked our material, we're going to brush it in to the fabric. In fact, we're going to do some more. And our last step is going to be putting our stripes in it. All right, a little bit more here. All right, let's get our stripes in here. We're just going to take our brush, push down nice and firm. Put back. Now we're going to go the other way. We'll come back. It's all about getting the fibers to go opposite directions right next to each other. And that's how you get your lines and your color variation. All right. And that's how you do it. You can make the lines as wide as you want or as thin as you want, depending on how which way your brush is pointing. All right, have a good day, guys.
I am a small business and work hard's what I do. And if you're kind enough to try me, I'll work hard for you. I am a small business and work hard's what I do. And if you're kind enough to try me, I'll work hard for you. I am a small business and work hard's what I do. And if you're kind enough to try me, I'll work hard for you. I am a small business and work hard's what I do. And if you're kind enough to try me, I'll work hard for you.